So what are you making today, babe?
We're making a cucumber salad with some Balsamic and some other seasonings. And on that cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. You're in a temperature switch. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Now, oh, look, this is what I'm stuck with. I had to send my knives in to get sharpened through Cutco, and now I have just like very little. This will still work, but it's not the knife I would actually use for this. I'm just cutting off the ends. And let's see if I can get this off. These are called hothouse and English cucumbers, and I like using these in my oh, that's kind of hard. That's what she said. But anyways, I like using them in my cucumber salads because the skin is so thin that you don't have to shave it off. It's great. Okay, so I'm gonna cut them in half because it is just too much to do that by itself. And we're going to cut this down the middle. Like I said, I don't have my regular knife, so. But it did well. It's fine. We like chunky around here. You can cut these thinner, but we like chunky. This actually works pretty good. I've never used the paring knife like this because I'm really accustomed to my favorite knives, but they're gone right now, so I guess I'm going to be using some of these other ones. Let's see, I don't want that to roll. Okay. Some are a little bit more chunkier, some aren't. I don't know.
So why do you like the house cucumbers?
Well, I like all the cucumbers, but these ones you don't have to peel. The skin is so thin. And I got these on sale, y'all. These are on sale right now. Wow. Now I'm aging my video here. I got them for $3 for $5. Yeah.
BOGO.
All those. Yeah, so they just, I mean, they're easy. When you buy the other ones that that have a really thick skin, you can eat the thick skin, but it's really kind of tough. So I always peel them. These ones you don't have to peel them. Don't peel them. Actually, you'll wind up with probably half a cucumber. I would not peel these. Most of my cucumber recipes, because I have about 4, I think this will be my 4th one. One of them is with the regular cucumbers, and it is creamy, because it's actually those regular cucumbers, when you peel them, are best with the creamy. This one's going to be a marinade. I talk too much. Okay, we cut them all up. Now we're putting the ingredients. It's a brand new bottle, y'all.
Is it watered down as much?
It's a little bit, yeah. Yep, that's what's going on. balsamic. This is what makes it so yummy. Seasonings.
Start with the salt first this time.
Yes, I did because I didn't want to get all that on it in here. I'm so glad that wasn't like my other ones.
It fit.
Mm-hmm. If you're doing this with fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of chopped dill is what I would do. The rule of thumb is every dry seasoning, a teaspoon is a tablespoon of fresh. If y'all didn't know. Oh yeah, this is what I've been craving. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I don't use a lot of basil in my recipes, but in this, it's kind of like having basil tomato salad or basil salad or whatever. You get it off, y'all. Okay, go ahead. Gently. Don't eat it. I slam it because I'm slamming like all the ingredients down. That's what I'm doing. Okay. We have to refrigerate this now. But all the ingredients are mixed.
Oh, that looks really good.
Mm-hmm. Going in the fridge now. About an hour. Make sure it's sealed. Been an hour. You guys see inside of my fridge. Kind of scarce in there. Alright, so I'm gonna like shake it a minute. Well, I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Because I know the marinade is settled. I don't want to beat them. Okay, let's see. Yes. They are definitely salad worthy. Mm-hmm. Gotta get all that out there. Mm-hmm. There you go. Cucumber salad. So if you want more of Dining with Danielle's recipes, subscribe.
Y'all stay tuned.
Okay, this is not working. That didn't look right. Stop doing it, babe. And are you recording me already?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even have my thing on.
She's all setting up and preparing and stuff.
I was ready to